Log into psypro.org. Access the renewal application. Complete all the items in the application checklist, all the items with edit next to them. Almost done. Next, you need to upload your CE course information. Click Add. Enter CE course information. Click Save. Now you need to upload your CE certificate. Choose File. Time to pay your fees. Enter your credit card information. Ooh, we're so close. Click on the attestation, click the Submit for Review, and you're done. Well, sort of. You're finished step 1. Make sure to complete the PSYPACT APIT renewal once your e-passport is approved. You'll get an email from PsyPro.